I'm pretty sure it's working this time. I'm pretty sure we're back and everything looks good. I had a good lunchtime. I hope you had a good lunchtime. The stock market had a good lunchtime, and now it's ready to roll. What do we got going on here as we bring up Weevil on the big screen? We got AMC sitting up almost 7% right now, $42.77. Shiba sitting at 54.85. Prague sitting at 334, pulling back a little bit for some gains we had earlier in the day. And Farmy finally breaking even again at 33.10. Nice. GameStop at the bottom right at 207. 207 all day long. It was 207 when we left, but we're ready to roll now. Let's see what we got here in the chat. Frank, number one again. He's that wrench ninja, man. Christian is ready to go. Love the green name, Christian. This sounds like someone I'm interested in, and I would like to get started. Dippy Dog. Now that's what I'm talking about, man. It sounds like something I'm interested in, too. Call the 2 o'clock run. Kevin, man. You got it. Kevin, we need to follow Kevin, guys. He can call all the runs. I like it, dude. This burn party called Shiba Rise in Price. Christian. So, actually, the burn party is going to be taking place tonight. And they are going to be burning. Dude, I actually just did a video on it. Okay? I don't know if I should release the video now. Because here's my dilemma with that. So I just did this burn update video, talking about the burn party, talking about kind of how many coins that company's burnt altogether, the way they're burning the coins, total supply, things like that. Dude, the last video I did this morning is currently ranking number 1 on Shiba Inu Coin search term. So I didn't post it. I've already got the number 1 video right now. I don't want to let that one run. What do you guys think? Would you let it run, or would you just post it? And I'm thinking about I just post it after that. What would you guys do? But anyway, it could run tonight because of the burn party. They're going to be burning 417 million tokens, unless they get some sort of a last-minute donation or something like that. They're going to be burning 417 million tokens tonight, and because of that, now that's not a huge number. But people could get excited about it. People could, decide to go out there and buy it because of what they're doing. Let's see here. Play bro. USH. Jeremy, you sound rough. Ooh. Yep, I do. What about now? What about now? Jeremy, does it sound better now? I forgot to turn the other audio on. Should sound better now. Right? Let's say something. No. It was still the old audio. The video looks good now, so this audio should be good. Let me know. So much better? Olivia, thank you. All right, no, I was having so many problems this morning in the stream, so I switched the audio to the other mic, and now we're using this one again. So good deal. What's up from Texas? God mode, how you doing? Better the Rock, thank you. A little crackly, Speedy, a little crackly, but it's all right, right? Cracky now, cracky then, staticky. Well, there's nothing I can do about that. I might be able to turn it down slightly to see if we get some less peakage, but staticky, nothing I can do about that. We're going to have to deal with that. Oh, hey, Clay, there you are. JB, what's going on, man? I didn't hear about the sheep burn. Could you say it again? Yeah, Christian, absolutely, man. So, I actually got a video coming out with a lot of detail on it if you want to watch that a little later. But, so they get a party going on tonight. And, crap, now I forget the name of the party. Julie, thank you very much for becoming a member, grabbing that green name, and becoming a little bro. You guys know what we need to see right now. 53 welcome Julies to the chat. Julie, thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate every single one of you guys grabbing those green names. And Julie, very, very pleased to have you with that green name there. I love it, guys. Thank you very much. And there's like 6 people that said welcome. Do not say welcome to Julie. I need to see 53 of you guys in here right now welcoming Julie. So, burn party, I believe, is tonight. It's November 15th. It's tonight at 8 p.m. Central Time. So, it's going to be, 9 p.m. Eastern Time? 9 p.m. for me. You guys can do the math on when it is for you. It's 8 p.m. Central Time, and they're going to be burning live. Now, he says live, so I don't know if it's just going to be at the party. They're doing it for everybody that's in attendance. If they will be live, what the deal is with that. But they're going to be burning that 417 million plus tokens. So that's exciting.
That's the burn party going on tonight. Also, they're the ones that are behind the SHIB burn playlist on YouTube and Spotify. And I think they've got some other stuff going on as well. But yeah, burn parties tonight should be a pretty interesting thing they got going on. I wouldn't expect a drastic increase in price or anything like that, but I do think it's a pretty cool event that they got going on there. Welcome, Julie. Welcome, Julie. Welcome, Julie. I love it. Everyone hit the like button. Yes, listen to Simon, please. Welcome, Julie. Welcome, Julie. Are we burning our Shiba or buying AMC? Yes, burn your Shiba to buy AMC. That sounds like a delicious idea to me. Welcome, Julie. God mode, thank you very much. Shiba Army Forever, Axel. Let's get it. How about that AMC, bro? Redline Sean, AMC is looking good to me. $42.82 right now. Went well above $43 per share. What was the high today? 43.23, somewhere in that area. 43.20s is the high today. AMC performing very nicely. If we take it out and we look at it on a daily chart, we are above that wedge that we had. Let's pull that daily chart up. Looking very nice. Oh, actually, we're retesting the upside of that wedge there. So I figured we would have been to the outside of it. But, man, look at this resist. Oh, this is the extended wedge. Okay, so we would have been outside the original wedge that we had. But we adjusted that wedge that we had because of the new highs that we were hitting down here. That's why we're still in it very nicely. So we will most likely experience some resistance at the top end of this wedge. So if you're thinking about buying options, if you're thinking about buying AMC right at this moment, watch what happens. All right, maybe don't go out and pull the trigger just yet, but watch what happens because we are right here at the top end of this extended daily wedge. The old wedge we had actually ended this week on the 17th. It was set to end here, but because we adjusted it, it's kind of set to end middle of December now. So I would keep an eye on this level that we're at right here. We may experience some resistance, so keep an eye on that, guys. So we got from Canada. Peyton is from Canada. I love it, man. Peyton, how was your lunch, dude? Got some international members here. I'm from Denmark. We do have a lot of international members and a lot of international people in the chat. A lot of UK, Sweden, a lot of Canadians, some Australians, some people from New Zealand, Denmark, very nice. Anybody else? Anybody else? Clay looks smoking that when talking about AMC. Oh! I can't tell you, dude. It is very cold outside. Very cold outside. It's going to be in the 60s on Wednesday, but it's going to be the last good day we got, man. I got to go into hibernation mode. Clay, technical question. I put a limit order in to buy AMC at 41, and the price went to 42. If I adjust the limit order to 42, will we see the price increase to 43? Have I found a loophole? JB, I am almost certain that you have found a loophole, dude. I am almost certain. I would suggest giving it a shot, testing that theory, and seeing if it is true, man. Because if it is, do it all day long, man. All day long. If you found the loophole to drive AMC higher, because some people out there think they're the loophole. If they sell AMC right now, we will see the squeeze. If they buy AMC right now, we'll see a pullback. If you're the loophole, dude, with your limit orders, I love it, dude. I love it. JB, test it, man. Sydney, Australia in the house. D-Atomizer, very nice. The Netherlands, The Rock, very good. UK, Ashley's from the UK. I work 5:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. No breaks, so I eat on the go. How about you, Clear, bro? Peyton, that's way too much work, man. Way too much work. But yeah, dude, I actually start, like, I wake up and then get a shower and all that good stuff. And then I start reading articles and seeing what's going on with the markets around, not like seeing what's going on in the markets. I do that immediately. But start reading articles and stuff around 9 so I can try and get a video out before the first live stream. And then you know the drill from there. Live stream, video between the live streams, live stream again, 2 videos after the live streams. So yeah, dude, it goes on till at least 8 p.m. Let's see, Atlanta, Georgia in the house. Very nice, Justin. Everyone has good... Well, I mean, dude, if you don't take care of your lawn, I imagine that everybody would have a lot of weeds. Good, bro. You sound rough, bro. Jeremy, I sound rough or the computer sounds rough? Which one is it? All day. Landon, thank you very much for the super chat, Landon. I almost didn't see that. When are we expecting this upcoming Shiba breakout? Very good question, Landon. Let's take a look at that. I actually talk about it in some of the videos, but I don't have the chart up during those videos, so it might make a lot more sense to come watch a live stream and then see this chart that we're talking about here. So we are actually, it's good news that we are out of this technical wedge that we were in, okay? And it seems to be, no, wrong one, I want the bottom one. It seems to be that we may be extending that higher low, okay? If we can continue to follow the higher lows that we've been hitting, that's the trend line that we're going to end up with there. Now, I know nobody wants to wait until December 4th before we see 7,000 again. Everybody wants it now. But, dude, think about it. If we continue to hit these higher highs, boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, and so on, and just continue hitting these higher lows all the way throughout December, that is a very nice increase. We're going to see some very good action because of that. So let's keep this extended here. And we broke out of this wedge, and now we're slightly trending to the upside, just a little bit at a time. So if we can continue this action right here, I think it's going to be a very nice run for Shiba Inu Coin. Going back there, I like turtles. Derek, good deal. Turtles are nice animals. Greetings from Greenland. Mr. Simon, I guarantee you're in Greenland right now, man. Hey, Clever, you're making a good living from the channel. You're keeping the army strong. Yeah, let's get it, man. Got to keep this army strong as possible. Lava lamp. Michael likes the lava lamp right here. The lava lamp is warm today. Savannah, Georgia in the house, baby. Nice, Savannah. I'll wait until December 4th for $7,000. What I'm talking about, JB. I can wait 2 weeks for $7,000 too, man. What happens on December? Oh no, nothing, bud. Nothing happens on December 4th. I was just looking at the this graph here. So if you see, I pulled this all the way out here. I was zoomed out a little bit, but I was just following this ascending trend line that I had and said, nobody wants to wait until December 4th to see prices around 7,000 points per coin again. Just because, you know, this is when we cross above that 7,000 line. If we continue to follow this trend right here. That's what I was doing with the December 4th. The party is named Shiba Burn Party, baby. 10 trillion token burn party. They're not burning 10 trillion tokens tonight. If they're trying to burn 10 trillion tokens somewhere, that sounds like something I'm interested in. Dude, you know what they should do? They should actually, here's an idea. If any of you guys actually work for some bigger companies out there, and you want to do and you're in the marketing department, and you want to have some sweet marketing, dude, do like a New Year's Eve, when the ball drops on New Year's, burn 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens or something. That would be sweet. You would get a lot of people that would think you're idiots, but you'd also have a lot of support from the SHIB army. So, yeah, man, I say go for it. You could probably, like, if you run social media for your company and you guys are trying to grow it, I say do it, man. Maybe we should do it. Maybe we should do it. How would we do that? How would we do that? What if we did, think of this with me for a minute. Why are we trying to make, like, Walmart get more social media followers? They don't need any social media followers. What if we did, what does that equal? 100,000 times 10, it's 1 million. We could do more than 1 million. Like 100, 1,000. I don't know. What if we did like a New Year's Eve party, and if we reach a certain goal, we burn like 100 or 1,000 Shiba tokens per subscriber that we've got. That sounds like something I'm interested in. I think that might be pretty cool. Somebody throw that idea around out there and see what you come up with. Throw that idea around out there and see what you come up with. Because I think that might be something that I'm interested in. So see about that. Because the Shiba army ain't going nowhere. And I know the whole SHIB army would follow. So throw that around. 100,000 by January 1st. That's what I'm saying, Nick. That's what I'm saying, Nick F. 100,000 by January 1st. Like, technically December 31st, boom, at midnight. I'm gonna be awake, baby. But we could probably burn it on January 1st. Like, I don't expect everybody to hang out with me on New Year's Eve. Throw that idea out there, man. If we hit that goal, boom, 1,000 tokens, 100 tokens, like whatever is like normal, we burn that many. I think the SHIB army would get behind that movement. Adria, I will wait for as long as it takes. Got good news from my doctor, so to the moon, baby. And thanks to my medicine man Clay and my ape family, Adria. Nice. I love the good news from the doctor. That is perfect. You know, it's because you're happier day in and day out hanging out in the live streams. You do have that daily dose of a little bit of a smile and a little bit of cheer out there, Adria. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I think I'm glad that you hang out in here on a daily basis. I think that's amazing. And so glad to see that you got good news out there. Boom, bro, boom, do it. Let's do it, Kevin. Let's do something like that. Throw that idea out there and see what happens, man. I'll be doing adult things New Year's Eve. Yes, Kevin, but on New Year's Day, you might be able to hang out with us, and then we can burn some tokens. Send them to a wallet, lock them away. I'll match that, Clay bro. Whatever you pitch, I'll match it. Peyton says, let's do it, man. Well, you guys think that would... Because I'm thinking, like, okay, I saw what happened with Kraken, right? Kraken said, we'll list Shiba Inu Coin if the Shiba army gets behind it or whatever. Dude, they ended up with like 75,000 Twitter followers because of that tweet. And then they didn't even follow through. So I'm thinking, you know, we might be onto something here. If we rally the Shiba army and we hit a certain goal, we just burn some tokens, man. I don't care. What are you going to do? It's like, it's worth it, though. You get like subscribers, followers, whatever, and then you do a big old burn and everybody has some fun. I think it's cool. I'm late. Amber, better late than never. Wink, wink. Jeremy says, ooh, adult things. Ooh. Yeah, man, you know, like, I don't know, running errands, cleaning the house, cooking, things like that, man, things like that. Yes, Adria, yes, Kevin, that is great, man. Clay, can I ask what price did you buy Shiba for the first time? Christian, it was in, was it 25? What was the first? I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. My average, it was in the 2000s, and then after I added some more, it was at 25, and now my average is all the way up to 55. So I'm flirting with break even right now. I'm probably just below break even on my Sheba. Prague over under 350. 350, dude, always over 350. Always over 350, because that's my break even on Prague. So 341, dang, we got some work cut out for us. Let's see here. Horizontal, I call it over. 10. We got 9 cents. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. We can bust that little line. Let's do it, man. Driving a car. Kids can't do that. Exactly, devil's advocate. More adult things. I remember 20. So, okay, yeah, it was definitely in the 2s when I first bought, and then 27 may have been... I don't know. It could have been 27. I just remember it being like around 25. So 27 sounds right. If Nick F says 27, let's just say it was 27 because I do remember that was my average for a while. Thank you, Kevin Carter. Yes, Jeremy, that's nice. Bought a 28. Very good, Christian. Why doesn't CoinMarketCap just burn half of them right now and reset our values? Because I don't think that they want to go burn half of $20 billion. I don't think anybody wants to just go drop $10 billion right now. I wouldn't want to. What are the lines on AMC? We need pretty new ones. Pringleton, we do need new ones, man, but these are actually the ones from the daily chart. They're just messed up. They're just messed up because of where we're at right now on the 1 minute chart. So if you pull out to a daily chart, man, you can see that it's this wedge that we're in, but for some reason, these lines do not transfer over correctly when you are on the 1 hour graph or 1 minute graph, but I don't want to take them off because I still like them on the daily chart. You know what I mean? They just show up on the 1 minute chart as well. So I don't want to remove those. We're just going to have to deal with those right now. JB, dump it into AMC. Let's get it, man. Sold my 135,000 SHIB. I'm sorry, everyone. Jumping in AMC with that 135K Sheba. Nice. Today over 3.3, tomorrow over 3.5, and Wednesday over 4, and then bam, squeeze. Speaking of it, the Gamma Squeeze does happen. That will exclusively be before expiration, right? Or can we see some after? So it could be afterwards. It could be afterwards. So if the options expire in the money, and then they're going to have that T+2 to actually go out and fulfill all of those options contracts. So you will most likely see the majority of that inflow coming before expiration. You know, market makers and institutions going out and just hedging against those bets kind of midweek to late week. They kind of expect, like, if we're sitting at $4 and they expect not to close below 350, they're most likely going to go out and start buying up their 350 options in order to cover those. But they do have T+2 to go out there, so we could see some next week. You most likely see it this week, though. Click. How would you categorize the burn on Sheba with taxes? We can't burn cash legally, so what? Jeremy, yeah, man. So how would I classify that? You can't burn cash legally because, you know, you're not supposed to take cash out of circulation. But you're not, so you would basically just be losing that money. How do I classify it? Just like your wealth disappearing in a stock. So if you were going to go out there and you were going to lose, like you bought, I don't know, let's say you shorted AMC, and all of a sudden it goes up, and you lose a ton of money. It just disappears into nowhere. Technically burnt that money. Doesn't exist for you anymore. Wealth is created and evaporated on a daily basis in the markets like that. So I would classify it as that. Now, if you're thinking that you're going to go out there and burn $1,000 in Shiba Inu coin and then try to write that off on your taxes, they're not going to let you write that off, dude. I don't know what they're going to tell you about that. I don't think that you're going to, I mean, technically you probably could try to write it off, and then if you got audited or something, like, that might be a different story. But, yeah, dude, I don't think that they are letting you do that. Is that correctly me or you, Clay? It's probably me, Crypto Rocketeer. We've been having problems all day long. Clay's crackling more than a witch on Halloween. Ow, ow, ow! As per someone else's DD that is above my head, a lot of options were exercised today, and they're expecting to see good action on Wednesday. Well, that's what I'm talking about, man. And that would go with the T+2. So exercising options today, they would have until Wednesday to fulfill that transaction. But that doesn't mean they have to wait till Wednesday to go out and buy those stocks, right? Clever, veteran of Sheba. Can't wait to watch the blast off. Let's get it, Timothy. Right, Redline? What did Redline say? Darn it. They just print more cash anyway. No point in burning it. Yeah, dude, you could burn it all, and guess what they would do? They would print brand new bills for you. Same as me, Julie. What did Julie say? Darn it. Wrestler, I became a bro today. Nice! Wrestler. Welcome, Julie. She did become a bro today. She got that green name. Julie, welcome. Christian, welcome. Chris, welcome. Everybody that became a bro today, welcome. Thank you for grabbing that green name. But is about to advise we go offshore with your finances. Well, man, listen. If I didn't say it, but you understood it, did I say it? Think about it. No. To write off or along those lines was where I was heading with that question. Yeah, Jeremy, I figured, man, but I don't think they're gonna let that fly, dude. I don't think they're gonna let that fly. Peyton, no, I also don't open Facebook. Clay, we are approaching the purple X on the chart. What does it mean? JB, unfortunately, it means nothing on this 1 minute chart, man, because the lines are skewed for some reason. So it means absolutely nothing. But if we go out to the daily chart, one day we will be approaching the X on the line, but not until December. So right now on the 1 minute, nothing at all. Tony, best, man. And Tony is the best, man. Boom! Mic drop, baby. Mic drop. Now that's what I'm talking about, Tony. Thank you very much. Ooh, we got a little bounce there. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Tony. Really appreciate that. Mic dropping all day long, baby. Tony, should I bro today? Dude, everybody should bro today, man. Christian says, of course, Redline. Did we get an update on short interest? Pringleton, I think Nick Ortex just doesn't come hang around anymore. So no. Wedged X, that's what we got there, man. New to Shiba, just became a bro. Let's go to the moon together. Benny, let's do it, man. Squeeze commencing in T minus 10 minutes. Countdown begin. Nice political. Nice political. Yeah, man. Nice political. I like it. AMC expectations this week. Rebecca, I want to see AMC follow a nice ascending trend line. Just like we're seeing with Shiba Inu Coin. Slowly moving back, sustaining levels in the 40s. You guys, like, if we get back into the 50s, it is going to be a very nice December, okay? A very nice, I reached for a drink, but I don't have a drink here at all. It's going to be a very nice December, so I just want to see some nice, steady action. England need a draw against poor San Marino to reach the World Cup next year. 6-0 at halftime. Think that draw will probably be easy. Crypto Rocketeer, you're speaking well over my head, man. You don't even know what you're saying, but good. England, get it. And Diffin Dog, man. Diffin Dog. Thank you for grabbing that green name. Becoming a little bro and showing your support to the channel. Really appreciate that, man. You guys know what we need to see right now. Do not be afraid. If you don't type in the chat very often, just spam Diffy Dog right now. Everybody welcome Diffy Dog to the chat. Absolutely appreciate every single one of you guys grabbing that green name. Diffy Dog, weren't you a bro? Diffy Dog had that great name, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wrestler, Julie, Devil's Christian, JB, thank you guys very much. Victor says welcome as well. Christian, welcome Diffy Dog. Man, with a smile like that, you can sell me $50 for $100. Mick, matter of fact, man, if you want me to sell you $50 for $100, I will do that. I will do it. If anybody wants to buy $50 off of me for $100, I have no problem facilitating that transaction. Like, if you guys want to do it, let's get started. Welcome, Different Dog. Welcome, Different Dog. Yeah, Duffy Dog, Diffy Dog, Different Dog. Welcome, Cavilo, Jackson, Benny. Thank you guys very much. God Mode, Chris, thank you guys very much for saying welcome to Diffy Dog. I appreciate that more than me just saying it, right? Like, clearly, it's amazing when everybody joins together. Trevor Jones, Duffy Dog. Click, you convinced me. Become a bro and join the Sheba Army daily. Very nice, man. Smashing that subscribe button. Energy and vibe coming from this man is amazing. Dude, Christian, you're amazing, man. Amber, gets ridiculous in here sometimes, doesn't it? Let's make AMC Squeeze this week so we can put it all in AMC and GME. Let's do it, Luca Tony. Prague. We can make Prague Squeeze. I would like if Prague squeezed this week. Dude, I'm telling you guys, if Prague squeezes this week and Devil's Advocates options just start going crazy, we're definitely gonna be friends. Devil's Advocate, we're definitely gonna be friends. Chipro hoodie, let's get it. I want a Chipro hoodie too. I already have a Chipro hoodie, but I want 2 of them. Dip Dog, get stuff. Thank you. You can sell me $50 worth of cash from $1,800. I'll pay $100 in 2021 cash for it. Smile. Jeremy Galloway, I don't have any cash from $1,800. If I did, maybe, man. Maybe. But I don't have any cash from $1,800. Click. Told you we'd be up over 5% today. Steak pizza with mayo time. Pringleton, you actually did say we would go on a run Friday or Monday, man. You did say that. You did say that. So now we all have to give Pringleton a little bit more credit because I'm getting a little nervous. Pringleton might be able to predict the market. Hold up. We aren't friends now, eh? Oh, dude, we are friends, but we are going to be good friends. We're going to be good friends. Post Prague Squeeze this week with options. You think Robinhood will list Sheba? God Mode, you know what? I honestly don't know. I don't think that they're going to list it anytime soon. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't think they're going to list it anytime soon. I think that Robinhood is like scared in a little corner. And they are honestly trying to play everything as safe as possible. I don't think they want any more headaches. Not saying that Sheba would be a headache, but I don't think that they're going to take the chance and really list anything until they get everything under control that they've already got. Like, their house is not in order, man. So I don't think that they're going to list it at this time. Are we going to see sustained growth? Lo-fi, Shiba to the moon. I sure hope so. We are trending slightly higher. We do have a very nice trend line on the 4-hour chart, and I would like to follow that trend line. I just told someone in a Facebook group 10 minutes ago, and since then I've gotten over 20 comments telling me exactly what I felt was obviously true and why I was saying the opposite. Interesting, man. I don't troll anybody on Facebook because I don't have Facebook, so I'm missing out on those opportunities. Who forgot to thumbs up the video? Oh my gosh. You guys, listen. Don't take Amber off. Don't do it. There's 260 people in here. There better be 260 likes on this video because Amber, she does not play nice when it comes to likes. You guys better make sure you take care of that. Let's see what we got. How many likes we got in here? You know what I need to do? Let me go back here. Oh, boy. Let me go back here now. Save that. Okay, good. Glad I clicked on that. Okay. Now, hold on. I gotta load this. Monetization. It's always limited, man. It's always limited. I don't understand these. I swear somebody comes in here every single day and reports these live streams. I promise they do. Let's see. Just bought 10 million. Very nice, Carl. I'm very scary. Amber could be very scary, guys. You better click the like button. Do it. Hey, Clay. I want to bet Robinhood will list Shiba till... Want to bet Robinhood will list Shiba till 31st of December 21. I put 500,000 SHIBs. Daily, you're saying they will do it before then or they will not do it before then? Wow, we 43 now? Do we only have 43 likes? Is that what you're saying? We hit 100 likes, 200. Let's go, Christian. Let's get it, man. Pringleton. It's not easy, man. People make me mad, bro. Imagine someone posted some obvious crap like 2 + 2 is 4, and you respond, oh, no way. I thought it was 5, and everyone thinks you're serious. Oh, man. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. I'm not. I literally disliked it. Hey, does it still show you guys the count for dislikes? Did you upgrade your apps? Like, does it still show you the public discount? What year do I see Shiba hitting $2? I don't see Shiba hitting $2 per coin unless there is a ridiculous burning of the supply. I don't think we get there. But, you know, I could be wrong. I don't think we get to $2 because that's a lot of money. Even long term, unless like 99% of the supply is burnt. I say they will list Shiba till end of 2021. Well, dude, I hope they do, man. I hope they do. Yes, it shows. Yeah, it wasn't showing on my brother's phone. I must not have updated my... Well, I can see how many you guys dislike on mine, but I think my brother must have updated his app or something because he wasn't seeing it anymore. I feel your pain when you being sarcastic. Yeah, man. You can't be sarcastic these days. Nobody understands it. Don't you think the best way to burn would be through big business and charity? Not necessarily, okay? I think the best way to burn, and it's just because I don't want to burn my own money, but I would rather burn, like, advertisers' money. So a lot of these playlists and these apps, I think, are good ideas. That you can go out there, you can play an app, play a game on an app, just let an app run, well, let the video or let the playlist run, and then, like, they burn a portion of the proceeds. Mago, thank you for becoming a bro. You guys know what we need to see right now. 264, welcome, Magos, to the chat. Mago, thank you for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Absolutely appreciate it, and I hope everybody in here shows you the appreciation as well. Christian says, welcome, Mago. Pringleton says, welcome, Mago. We get 2 of them. Question, why do people hate Shiba a lot? Mike, answer, probably because they missed out on making a lot of money on Shiba. People get jealous very easily, and if they didn't make a lot of money on Shiba, they feel like they missed the opportunity. They're probably going to show some hate towards it. Welcome, dude. Thank you for those advocate. Victor says, welcome. Julie, welcome. Frodo, welcome. Amber says, Mago, God Mode, welcome. Thank you. I have 240 million Shiba coins. Very nice, Mago. Mago or Mago? Mago is 1. Mago is 2. Frank says, welcome. Clear. Prague might actually get over 3.5. What a guess, dude. That ain't no... Dude, you ever seen Waterboy? That ain't no gas, devil's advocate. That's what it's gonna be. Come on now, you should know that. Welcome, welcome. Boom, boom, candle coming in hot on that Prague chart right there. Ooh, yes. Welcome, Mego Wrestler. Thank you very much for welcoming Mego. Not jealous at all. Definitely not, Chris. Definitely not. Chris says, welcome. Not jealous at all. How much of the supply has been burnt? Christian, so looking at the numbers this morning, we are sitting at a circulating supply of 546 trillion coins. So what does that give you as an actual burn number? 454 trillion coins have been burnt so far. And the vast majority of those came from, I don't even know how to say that guy's name. Vitalik, him burning the supply, burning like 50% of the supply when it was basically worthless. I'm up a lot, like 3% on Sheba, and still don't like it until AMC squeezes. Nice, Mr. Simon, making some sick money, and he says, wait on the sidelines till AMC squeezes before I take this profit, man. I can't even enjoy it yet. Love it, Simon. Viva PR. I don't know what the PR is. Have I seen a movie show you're referring to? I'm not even going to entertain that dumb question with an answer. You better entertain it with an answer, man. Sarcastic nonsense like that. Let me get it. Yes, you've seen it. Everybody's seen it. Half of Shiba's resources are in a dead wallet. Yes, roughly. Yes. It's like 41. So 410 trillion, I think, are in that wallet right now. Hello, brother. Always loved your content on your video. Do you think half cent is possible for the future? Yes, Lewis. I do think that half a cent is possible for the future price of Shiba. Come on, AMC over 43. Be very nice indeed. Pringleton, let's get it, man. Pringleton calling 43 right now. 43 with 4 minutes left in the day. Let's see if Pringleton is on it today or not. It's your 43 lines. Been testing it a couple over the last minute. We need 6 cents on Prague right here. Come on, Prague. Give us a good little run in the last 4 minutes here. We need you to go up, go up, go up, go up. FIFA Puerto Rico. Gotcha, Simon. Gotcha. I made some calculations. We need to burn something like 1 trillion per day and like triple market cap to reach something around $1 in about 5 years. Quite difficult. Yes, that would be extremely difficult. Daily relief. That's a lot to burn in one day. But I will tell you this, okay? If the price, I know a lot of people are going to get extremely nervous if the price falls, right? But if the Shiba army doesn't go anywhere and the price does decline because a lot of people get scared, maybe one of the whales starts to sell, maybe something happens with China or the US or something. You can't kill crypto. It's decentralized. So if one of these countries comes out with some regulations, if something happens that the price is drastically declining, one, you're going to be able to buy billions of tokens, not millions. And two, people will be burning billions of tokens and not millions. So there are definite advantages to watching the price fall, especially if you plan on holding long term anyway. Nobody wants to see it fall while you're holding it. I understand that. But if you do end up holding it and it ends up falling, there are a lot of benefits that can come out of that. Hey, Trapper's in the house. What's up, AMC Trapper? AMC Trapper, your shirt's sick, dude. It's on its way right now. Everybody except Grandpa Barney has their shirts on the way right now. AMC Trapper, man, your shirt's sick, dude. You're going to like it. You're going to like it. Thousandaire. Let's get it, Amber. We need that thousandaire coming up. Jacob, man, thank you very much, Jacob, for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Everybody in the chat, 266, welcome Jacobs to the chat right now. Like, blow it up, guys. Blow it up for Jacob. I'm only 75 down on Sheba. I have plenty of bourbon at home to last me. Kevin can make it, dude. I love it. Welcome, Jacob. Welcome, Jacob. Jacob, wow, kind of feel like a shirt. No, Amber, you definitely need a shirt now. You definitely need a shirt now, Amber. Look, guys, I'm going to hype you up right now, okay? I'm going to hype you up right now. I absolutely plan on killing December, okay? I plan on killing December. There's going to be giveaways in every... Not a ton in the lot. Like, it's just going to be one. There's going to be giveaways in every single video in every single live stream for the first 25 days of December. We're going to kill the 25 days of Christmas. And all I'm going to ask in return is that we watch the videos, share the videos and live streams, and then just have some fun, man. We're going to be giving a ton of stuff away. So you're going to get excited about December. If you want to buy a shirt, absolutely. You can buy a shirt on claybro.com and go check those out. Links in the description, all that good stuff. But you will have plenty of opportunities to win something in December. I mean, you're looking at like 6 chances per day. Not all of them are going to be shirts, but you will have like 6 chances per day. So get excited now for December. 45 million Sheba and bought at 1867. Deborah, very nice. Jacob and the Heezy baby. Oh yes, Jacob. Welcome, Jacob. Welcome, Jacob. Welcome, Jacob. I love it. Bro fam, Jacob is part of it now. Yes, Jacob. Good. I don't want December this year. No. Wrong killing December, Amber. I'm not killing it that way. I'm a bro. Nice, Squiggles. Nice. I'm glad you're a bro. Good job, bro. Nicholas, thank you. Dead December. You guys better be ready. You better be ready to win something in December. Could it take years for AMC to squeeze? Danelle, I highly doubt it takes years. If it takes years, I'm going to be completely honest. So they can hold it for years, right? If they're willing to pay the cost to borrow, they can keep those positions open for years. But I will be completely honest that I don't think the retail investors will last years. There might be some people who can just sit there, forget about it in their portfolio, and let it ride and see what happens. But I don't think the hype, and I don't think the vast majority of retail investors will last years. So, and the reason I say it can't last years then, or it won't last years, is because with everybody falling off, the price will come back down and the hedge funds will end up covering. Welcome, Jacob. Thank you very much, Danelle. I'm just trying to skip my birthday. No, Amber. You're not skipping your birthday. What are you like, turning 24 or something this year, Amber? Are you trying to skip your birthday for? Come on now. 1 share AMC giveaway as well from me one of those days. AMC Trapper getting in on the game, saying you guys better be prepared because there will be an AMC stock giveaway during the 25 days of Christmas. I love it, Trapper. Yes, spin game is a blast. Need to do it soon. Adria, we could do some spin games. We could do some spin games during the December giveaways as well. We're going to have a lot of fun, guys. It's going to be a very good December. It's going to be a very good December. We're going to have some fun. We're going to watch the videos, share the videos. You get the follower, get the subscribers up, and do a ton of giveaways. Sure has felt like, yeah, Todd, it sure has felt like years, man. It's felt like a year because it's been a year. Clearbro, got B-Day in December. Let's get AMC to the moon. Art, let's do it, man. That is the goal. How much Shiba Inu Coin do you have? Puya, Aline. So I don't actually talk about the total quantity of my portfolio, but my Shiba Inu Coin is sitting at 5,500 as at average price right now. So I am down a little bit, sitting at like 5,400 or wherever we're at right now. I am down 100 points per coin. I wish, Amber says. Amber, yeah, you don't look at day over 19, Amber. There's no way you're turning anything over 24. Come on. Does this giveaway count for Europeans? So, Christian, some of them will, right? Some of them will. Some of the stuff like, I don't know, if we do some Shiba giveaways or some of that, like something that's easily transferable, yes. Maybe even some sticker packs because it's not very expensive to send a sticker pack overseas, maybe $1 or $2. But as far as shirts and stuff, that may be a little bit more difficult. So if you do live in Europe somewhere, and you do win a shirt, and you do want that shirt, I mean, I don't want to say like you have to pay for shipping, but we might need to do something like that because shipping to some South American countries costs like $60. It was like $45 to ship it to the UK. So some of the shirts, man, if you do win and you're not living in the US, then I mean we could work something out. But either that or you could trade it for a different price. You know what I mean? Something that I don't actually have to ship to you. You're nice. No, you're nice, Amber. Come on. Got an entry on AMC cover calls for Friday. 45 at a buck go forward. Delta 0.35. Data 0.22. Vega 0.016 on and an implied volatility 109%. Closed at 97 cents. Nice, Frank. Nice. Click, can you please check NOS? You think it has potential to get big gains? Check the 3-year chart. TG Samaritas, NOS. Let's check this out. Count me interested. Nice, man. AMC Trapper is just running it now. And hey, what did we close at? 42.86. That's dumb. I thought we closed at 43 with that number right there. We needed to close higher. And we closed lower on Prague, too, man. I'm just 0 for 2 right now. Darn it. Terrible. All right, NOS, let's see what we got here. Norwegian Air. Yeah, so I do think that Norwegian Air probably will increase. This is what, an airline? Airlines have not been doing very well because of COVID, so I wouldn't be what the heck is this, man? So TG, aside from whatever the heck this is, I'm not going to say it's got this sort of potential because I have no idea what this is right here. But what are we looking at here? Yeah, man. So in airline, I do think that I do think you're gonna see a recovery as long as they can manage and they're still out there making money right now. I don't know how things in Europe are going, but as long as they can survive the pandemic, I do think that you're gonna see an increase in airlines. But I don't think, dude. I don't. This is something weird, and without like reading about this, I have no idea what this is. But if you're talking bouncing back to like $30 a share, I mean, sure. Even if you're willing to hold it longer term, I think you could still see some recovery in that. But you're not going to see 4,300 per share. I hope I didn't destroy your hopes there, but I don't know what that was. I don't know what that spike was. Are you most interested in Shiba or AMC? Christian, so I do like the fact that Shiba has been running like crazy over the last couple months, right? October was insane. But AMC, to me, has unlimited potential. Shiba will eventually succumb to its market cap. We're not going to be able to break these prices like $1, $3, $5, $10 per coin because of its market cap. Now, if we drastically reduce that market cap, could be a slightly different story. But AMC, the market cap won't hold it back. Because once the hedge funds go to cover, if people actually do what they say they're going to do and they don't sell their shares back to them, then you're literally talking about unlimited gains because it does not matter what the price is. They have to buy it. They're not going to say, AMC's expensive at $100 a share right now. We're not going to buy anymore. So they're going to be forced to buy it. So that's the part that I like about AMC, is that the potential is absolutely unlimited. Now, clearly what I like about Sheba is the fact that it's already made, like it's turned dollars into millions of dollars. Like those gains should just be absolutely inspirational to everybody out there. And I don't think it's going to turn a dollar into $1 million from where it's at now. But, you know, it's still got so much potential and such a great crowd behind it. Loud car. Darn it. I sound like a loud car. I'm thinking about exercising some of my 250 calls on Prague. Very nice. AMC Trapper. Dang, man. Calls it 250 on Prague. AMC Trapper is going to be sitting on shares of Prague at $2.50, man. Nice. Christian, AMC is the bread and butter, but while holding and waiting for this squeeze, doesn't hurt to look at other plays and make some sick money along the way. As you pick, he is messaging people. Claybro882, I reported them. You went, oh, Stock Guru, I appreciate that. Somebody actually messaged me on Twitter and said that. Yeah, if you guys listen, 882 is not me. 883 is me. So I think somebody actually said, or that might have been something on Instagram, but it sounded like somebody had more followers than I actually do on Twitter, and they were using my name. But yeah, that's a fake name, dude. Claybro883 is the only Twitter. So, sorry, I feel like it hasn't been asked in a while, sir. A little with Simon, yeah, man, absolutely, no problem. Yeah, I don't say how many shares of AMC I hold. My cost average is in the 13s on AMC, but we don't discuss overall valuations of portfolios and positions. Let's see here. You got that. How many GME? 0! Prague. Same deal, man. We don't discuss overall valuations. And Nostrat looks like a short squeeze back in. Gorilla. I don't know what that was, man. I don't think that was a short squeeze, dude. There's no way it was short squeezing from $200 to $4,000. But I don't know what that was. Without reading anything about it, I don't know. 82 isn't you? No, JB. 883 is me. Thank you for checking, Clay. Absolutely, TG. No problem, man. So I don't know. If you know what that was, like if you've done some more research on it and you know what that spike was, you might be able to help us out a little bit more, but I don't know. How many SHIB shares do you hold? Sorry, I feel like it hasn't been asked in a while. 1111 Simon. It has not been asked in the last 5 minutes. So my average on Sheba is 5,500 points per coin. Probably about 2,000 shares of, yeah, I got 2,000 shares of Sheba. That's what I got. I almost went for a drink again, and guess what? No drink, dude. I can't do these live streams without a drink. I need something here because I can feel it in my throat already. Time's up. That's it, Clay. You have sealed the fate of your grandkids. Nice, man. Is it a good fate? I need to know. I know someone else asked, but do you think the Spotify playlist actually burns Sheba? So yeah, Amber, I do think the Spotify playlist actually burns Sheba. So the one, and so you can go. Gosh, I wish I remembered the website name. Yeah. I think the guy's name is Steven Cooper on Twitter. The guy that's Big Entertainment or something. Like I forget the name of it, but it's verified by the development team at Shiba Inu Coin, and they have a running total of what they're burning there. Now, whether or not, I don't know, okay? I don't know if it's 100% of the ad revenue, like I don't know that, but I do know that, assuming, you know, that the development team's not lying, and assuming that this guy's not lying, and all that good stuff, then they burn at least a portion of what they're earning in revenue. I don't think it's a bad idea. You know, a portion's better than nothing. If you got a tablet laying around or a phone or a computer laying around and you just want to let something play in the background, you know, first should be my channel. But if you don't want to play my channel in the background, then you could play one of these playlists that burns Shiba Inu Coin. We should just set up a Shiba burner on here too, where I just make a SHIB burn playlist and a portion of the ad revenue on there just gets burnt. I mean, why not? Why not do that? We might as well. We have so many Shiba videos. We might as well do that. Okay, worth letting it play on silent in the background. Yeah, it would be worth letting it play on silent in the background then, man, because I should just make a playlist really quick and do that then. Panda Girl, Dr. Manhattan, Panda Girl, something. Is that a coin, or you just really like girls that dress up like pandas? What are you saying there, man? Let's see. Devil's Advocate says, no, it's not good. I told you if you didn't answer me after my third try, I was going to give you a titty twister. It's so bad for your grandkids. I'm saying, no. What did he say? Thumbs up, Clay. Darn it, I missed it, man. I can't believe it. I'm scrolling back up. I don't want to get a titty twister. Oh, Prague closed under 4 cents. Your guess, under 4 cents. Your guess, you dummy. PS. It has 6 million FTDs as per Matt Core's tweet. What does this mean as far as what we can predict going forward? Anything specifically aside from bullish? So 6 million. I don't know what was the volume on Prague today, but 6 million FTDs right now. and he also, Matt Kors doesn't have real-time FTD information. There's no way. That's only reported by the SEC like once every 2 weeks. But 6 million FTDs, man, could mean that a lot of transactions are failing because of the excessive amount of volume that it's getting. So, I mean, they do have to rectify those. So, kind of just add those to short shares that will need to be cleared up. But I got to let you guys know a very, very, very embarrassing story. So, the next time you're seeing Matt Kors and hanging out with him, I got a Michael Kors jacket, and I put it on yesterday to leave the house. I literally called it a Matt Kors jacket. I called it a Matt Kors jacket. I felt like an idiot. But shout out to you, Matt Kors, my man. You're making jackets now. Good deal. I like it. I am Put King, you know that. I love puts at lunchtime. Banana man, easy money, man. Get it. We got King of the Puts in here. But I'm not 100% sure, Clay, bro. I think they said 50%. Gotcha. Christian. Could be, man. 50% of the ad revenue. Also, I'm not sure what portion of it is. But, dude, we'll just make a playlist on here. And then you guys can leave that playlist on repeat in the background. And then we can burn some of that or just buy Sheba with it. My goodness. Found out a YouTuber got offered $30,000 to pump Sheba. Sheba sounds nefarious. Stay the course, AMC. Dude. Sheba. Community. If you're out there and you want to pay me $30,000 to talk about Sheba, I will accept your $30,000 to talk about Sheba. Just straight up. Right now. I will do it. I will. I will continue to produce the same style and type of content that I'm currently producing, and you could just give me $30,000. So if anybody out there from the Sheba development team is listening right now, I will accept your 30 grand. Panda Girl's gonna be huge, man. People do like Panda Girls, don't they, Dr. Manhattan? I believe Ortex updated FTDs today, so that probably gotcha. Yeah, Devil's Advocate. It actually does sound like today would be an update, being midway through the month. Does sound like they would have a release for the end of October's FTDs. They've been trading neutral for so long, I don't know how to get excited about being in the green. Chris, it's actually pretty good, man. Because getting excited when you get in the green may cause you to sell too early. So it's kind of good that you're getting kind of numb to the numbers. 30-50 million here. Let's go, Sheba Army. Shebers love the sting of battle. DK Pope, let's get it, family. Good F-in job today. Kalani, yes, we did good today. Did you say you bought a Matt Kors jacket? Ren, yeah. I have MK. I got MK on the side of my jacket. Instead of saying, I don't even know what the guy's name is now, Michael Kors, I was like, look at my Matt Kors jacket, man. This is nice. But shoot, Matt Kors shirt, huh? You bought that? No, I don't have a shirt. I got a coat that says MK on the side of it, and I'm like, it's a nice Matt Kors jacket, isn't it? I felt absolutely nothing. Devil's Advocate, numb to the world, man. Good deal, Devil's Advocate. It's the best way to make gains. Big question. Why difference of no holders of SHIB from Etherscan and CMC? Any idea? It's about a 30,000 difference. Oh, the number of holders. Daily. No, I don't know. Because there's also a difference in the amount of Shiba coins that they think are in circulation, man. So, I don't know what the difference is there or what's causing that difference. Let's see here. Let's reload this. See where we rank. We may be releasing another video. What are you guys going to do if I release a video right now? You won't even go watch it. You won't be the first. How are you going to feel about that? Maybe just wait till 7. Do I wait? We'll see where we rank. Let's see. We got YouTube up. Where are we at? 5. Maybe we release it. Ace Spotify. Click. Had my credit card ripped off. Some jerk used it to max out with his gas. I had to cancel the card, get a new one, and it's on its way. Unfortunately, I had to cancel my sub until the new one comes. Banana Man! It's alright, dude. It's alright. And even if you don't want to get it back, it's still alright, man. We still love you in here. But if the guy that stole Banana Man's credit card, I did not mean to go tiny like that. The guy that stole Banana Man's credit card is out there. Just say sorry. Do not be a thief. I do not like thieves. I do not have any respect for them whatsoever. So if you woke up today deciding to thieve, don't do it. Please. Banana Man, I got you back, dude. Trust me, Clay, if I'm going to sell early, it won't be for a few $100. Now, my special lady, I'm still struggling. Too many variables in this situation. Nice, Chris. Nice. What do I search on Spotify? I think it's just SHIB burn playlist. Is that right, guys? Thoughts on Saitama issues? I don't know what issues Saitama's having right now. Clay, bro, ain't about the money unless you got 30 grand. Let's go, regular potatoes. Tell Sheba to bring the 30 grand. Dude, Sheba, listen, Sheba. We'll keep it real, all right? Just send me the password for that burn wallet, and we'll be good, all right? We'll be good. We'll call it even. We'll call it even, for real. Just send me the password of that burn wallet. We'll call it even. Could you imagine? Oh, dude. Well, okay. Well, I want to know. I want to know honestly right now. Let me know what you guys think out there right now. Let's say you're just walking down the road, and you found a cell phone. Okay. About a year old, nothing too fancy. The screen's cracked on it. You're like, but you take it home anyway. Okay. It's like it's in the dirt on the side of the road. Clearly nobody wants it anymore. It's dead, doesn't work, but you take it home and it turns on, okay? Charges up just fine, and screen's cracked, it's nasty looking, but oh my goodness, this cell phone happened to belong to that Vitalik guy, and you're sitting on the burn wallet. What do you do? What do you do? All of a sudden, you've got the burn wallet, 410 trillion Shiba Inu coin in your wallet right now. What do you do? Do you leave it burnt? Or do you disrupt the entire Shiba Inu army and potentially wipe out the price of Shiba Inu coin? Because if anybody sees any transfers going out of that burn wallet, they're going to know that those coins are not burnt. What do you do? What do you do? Oh man, you're sitting on that burn wallet. It's worth $10 billion. But you know if you make a transaction, it could absolutely destroy the price of Shiba. This is a good one. This is a good one. I want to know what you guys think. I don't know what I would do right off the top of my head. I don't know what I would do. Oh man, I'd probably leave most of it burnt and take. If you take any of it, you have access to this wallet, okay? If any transactions go out of this wallet, they're gonna know that it's not deactivated. They're gonna know that it's back in circulation. Oh man. So you one transaction. If you're gonna do it, you gotta go big, okay? You gotta go big. Because otherwise, if they see this wallet is active, you could really just destroy the price of Shiba. Click, do you think Shiba will go to $1 before reaching $2, sir? Yes! Mr. Simon, I definitely think he's going to hit it. I love questions that are like that, man. I'm the new whale. Because I'm going to be honest, okay? I am going to be honest. One thing that you could do, and I donated, man, I'll take $1 billion and burn. See, if you're gonna do it, you might as well just go cash out all of it, though. You might as well go hit a big old transaction up, because I do think if you just moved $1 billion, then everybody would know. You know what I mean? But what about this part of the scenario? Okay, kind of like how Elon Musk gets his money. He doesn't sell his shares of AMC. He goes out and takes a loan out against them. If Lisa is in here, or if we have any loan officers in here, if you walked into the bank with a $10 billion wallet, okay, now they know that it's worth $10 billion, but I guess you would still have access to some money, even though it's collateralized by the underlying burn wallet. You might be able to get access to some money that way, and then if you do end up not making your payments on it, I guess they would charge you a pretty high interest rate, but they would also be using that burn wallet as collateral. So if you didn't make your payments, they take the burn wallet, they try to cash out the burn wallet, and then the price falls because of it. So I might go that route because of it. I wouldn't want to be responsible for destroying the price. Oh, man. Selling it, John, selling it. Oh, man. Want to Clay's thoughts on it? Oh, Redline, Sean, what are my thoughts on what, man? Redline, 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 Redline. So any thoughts on how high Prague Squeeze will go? 10 to 50 bucks? Honestly, Redline, I don't know. I think that Prague, honestly, if nobody sells, Prague can go very high, dude. 10, 15, 20, 30, $40. They have to cover 65% of the shares outstanding, and they should be pretty close to wanting to cover, considering there are that many, considering the cost to borrow is like 100%. They're getting ripped daily. So if they go to cover them all at the same time, or they're forced to cover them all at the same time, yeah, I think you could see a very nice gain in Prague. Let's see. Couldn't, but it would screw over so many people. I couldn't sleep knowing I did that to so many people. Amber, you could sleep in a very nice big bed in any country in the world on vacation for the rest of your life. You might be able to sleep okay. I don't know. Oh, no, you could. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, you listen, and if you were going to take a loan out on it, clearly, you know, you're not going to get that good of a rate because it's collateralized by cryptocurrency. But I do think that I do think you would be able to get a loan on a $10 billion portfolio. Rather keep a clear conscience. Adria, man. Adria's got a good heart over there. Keeping a clear conscience, not worrying about that burn wallet. I think that would be a decent way to access that money. I think that's a nice little scenario to walk through because I think that's fun. Personally, I don't know what I would do right off the bat. I would have to think about it, okay? But I don't know if it would be worth destroying Shiba Inu Coin with that wallet being active again. Serious question. Been a while since I said that. How do stop loss percentages work? Let's say I set a 15% stop loss. What exactly is the 15% set point? Is the all-time high or timeline based, or how does it work? So devil's advocate, it would be 15% from the high from when you set that. Okay? So if you set it right now on Prague at $3.45, it would be 15% from $3.45. If it goes up and taps 350, it's 15% from 350. If it pulls back 10%, you still didn't tap out. Goes back up, you know, it still stays at 350 until it crosses above that 350 again, and then it moves it to 360 or, you know, whatever it ends up going up to. So it's the all-time high since you set the stop loss. Ransom it. He said, Frank says, ransom it. Let's get it. Oh, she burns, she list to Wall Street. It's the block. Very nice. Hot boys on fire. Okay. Do you recommend using margin when this squeezes? Why or why not? Eligio, no. I do not recommend using margin when this squeezes. You can if you like the risk. All right. But with the risk comes greater reward. But clearly the risk is there. So if you're going to go out and you're going to trade on margin, and you do end up buying more on margin, like when the squeeze starts, the volatility is going to be intense. So I don't know what type of margin you're talking about, but let's just say you use 5x leverage. And you're going out there and you want to buy $5,000 worth of AMC stock and you got $1,000 in the account. All you have to do is lose 20%. AMC just has to pull back 20%, and you're going to get margin called and lose all the money you started with. Clearly, if it doesn't pull back to 20%, you can be making 5 times the amount of money, but you have to lose 5 times less money in order for your account to go to zero. Now, right now, it's extremely difficult for AMC stock to go to zero, so I don't think you're running that risk. But, you know, you just look at the risk to reward ratio, man. I would not play with that type of margin with that type of volatility. I think that it's going to be too dangerous, dude. I think it's going to be too dangerous. Clearly, if you got in, you know, back in January, 5x, 10x leverage, and you're sitting on nothing but gains right now, dude, perfect. You made 10 times as much money as you would have made otherwise, but I wouldn't do it during the squeeze. Just mail it back to VB and hope the reward alone would be worth it. Genie! That's a good... I didn't think about that scenario. That would be a good one. He might give you a reward for it. And I like VB, too. VB is much easier to say than the founder of Ethereum or Vitalik or Vitaly. I don't know how to say his name. Breaking news on Glabro. Saitama has no legal rights to its logo. Dude, what is a logo anyway, man? I don't have any legal rights to my logo, do I? I don't think so. I didn't trademark it. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be. I almost said it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, man. It's gonna be okay. I don't know if Shiba gonna rock it today, man. So sad. Ace. It's alright if it doesn't rock it today. Click. With everything you know about the market, best hypothetically guess to when the shorts will cover. I get there's not really an answer. Oh, man. Like, without using actual dates, dude, I say we're not sitting close to the short squeeze because the risk is not there. Okay? Best hypothetical guess without putting, like, a timeline to it is when we are sitting around, like, maybe like 5 to 8 million shares being traded per day would be a very great risk for the hedge funds and for the short positions out there. Higher utilization somewhere near Prague levels clearly would put us very close to a short squeeze and things like that. Like, that's the best I can do because I don't know when those things will happen. Thank you for your candor. P.S. I would consult your lava lamp in regards to the wallet situation. Would realistically not lose any sleep selling it and making the trailer park a reality. Nice, devil's advocate. Yeah, I don't know if I would lose too much sleep either. It's, you know, especially if you walked away with like $2 billion. But at the same time, man, I think you could still take advantage of that $2 billion if you thought it out. So I think you can make it happen. But, dude, that would be sweet. That would be sweet. Which now it makes me wonder, like, if I should just go buy a bunch of old cell phones that are not not factory reset and see if they're sitting on any wallets. But I think then you would have to know the password. You'd have to type your password in to make the transaction. Maybe I'll buy some old laptops from 2010. Like, my laptop's from 2010, but it doesn't have any Bitcoin on it. Maybe I'll do that and see if it's getting Bitcoin on it. LASR for people. Clay, it does this for you. LASR for people. Clay, does this for you. Yes, we are at 3 of the 200 likes. There's 200 likes in here? Nice. Guys, go 300 likes. We got 300 people in here. You could do more good with the money. I say it would indeed be worth it. Always moves. Nice, dude. I like it. Under no circumstances, make a market order to buy during a volatility halt. You will get screwed. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Don't put in market orders during volatility halts. You're not necessarily going to get screwed. It might open up to the upside, but I think the odds are in favor of you getting screwed. I have 50,000 Shiba Inu coins. Any advice on what I should do next? I am new to crypto world. Rishab Chamoli. No, I have no advice on what you should do next other than hold, man. I think that in order for you to see some big gains on that, you're going to need to hold to higher prices. Clay, now that AMC has popped out of that technical analysis triangle, which was formed weeks ago, price this week will move up or hammer down until Friday. So, look, Manthan, if you want to take a look at that really quick, we can pull back out here to the daily chart on AMC. And we can see that the wedge kind of just extended. Man, where are we at? AMC, we can see that that daily wedge kind of extended. If we use the new higher highs that we were hitting, we may be at the top end of the wedge right now. But you are correct in noting that as we were touching these levels, the wedge would have ended like tomorrow or Wednesday, and we are to the upside of that. We're breaking out to the upside of that original one. If you use the new higher lows or lower highs, that we've been hitting, you will notice we're still within that wedge, and it extended itself out to December now. So depends what happens with that, but that's the look on that one there. And then, all right, let's see. Farmy just sitting still after hours. Shiba Inu, same deal, kind of just extending that wedge a little bit. We may see some continued growth on this 4-hour chart. We're sitting on a very nice, I don't know why that didn't. We're sitting on a very nice run here, tapping these higher lows, okay? And if we continue that trend line, we're going to watch Shiba Inu coin steadily grow over the next couple of weeks. So that's something to keep your eye on too if you're in Shiba Inu. What platform is Prague on? Where you can buy it on Webull. Is that what you're talking about? Prague's not a coin. Prague is a stock. Like the lamp in the background. Where can I get it? Well, dude, I don't know. You can get a lava lamp almost anywhere these days, but I don't have any affiliate links for lava lamps or anything, but you can pick them up almost anywhere for 20 bucks. This is a really good W bullish pattern for Shiba Inu. I am not going to be worried as long as I hold on tight for these tokens. Thanks for providing us the live technical analysis. Only DS. Thank you for being in here for the technical analysis. Really appreciate all of you guys in here and all the good feedback, man. You guys are being too nice. Love the yellow orange. Yeah, it is like a, I don't know, it's pretty bright orange. Shows up, I think it's slightly lighter on camera, I'd say. Sup, Clay, bro? What's going on, Mr. Pina Colada? How you doing? Clay, you have a Bobby Axelrod kind of vibe. Love your content. I don't know who that is. Who's Bobby Axelrod? If you have them in your state, weed store. Do you get a lava lamp at a weed store? Really? Not where I got this one. I think I got this one at Spencer's when I was like 12. What are the predictions for Shiba hitting half a penny, and when is this possible? Half a penny gives you about a $2.5 trillion valuation if no supply is burned. So definitely longer term. It is possible, but I think you're going to need a lot more money to flow into crypto overall. So I'm looking, if you're talking half a penny, man, at current supplies, I'm thinking 2025 or beyond to get to half a penny. Because you're sitting at a $2 trillion supply. It's going to be worth more than double what Bitcoin's worth right now. Sweet. Thanks, Clay, bro. Pugnacious. Absolutely. I get a young Max Greenfield vibe personally. Not you wish. Dude, you almost made me so excited. You get me so excited, and then you just, like, sucker punched me right in the face, man. Come on. I don't know why you would do that to me. Sweet, thanks, Clay, bro. Yes. Hey, Clay, what are your predictions for end of year? I would love to see another zero burnt by the end of the year. If you're talking about Shiba Inu. If you're talking about AMC, end of year, dude, I'd like to be back in the 60s, end of year. I'd really like to be testing and breaking through that $55 to $60 resistance that we've got there. Thank you, man. Graceland. Thank you, Brandon B. When become bro? When become bro? Brandon, come on now. Become a bro. Clay, do you get synthetic subs in exchange for Shiba Talk? I hear some YouTubers are getting that. I don't know. Like, intentionally? That would be... No, I wouldn't even want synthetic subs. Synthetic subs don't really do anything. I want people who watch my videos. But, no. Unfortunately, nobody has asked me, like, do you want some subscribers? And we'll, like, talk about Sheba and we'll give you subscribers or anything like that. Nobody said that. How do, bro? Been following for a while. Keep up the great content along with the rest of the other YouTubers bringing superb content, entertainment, and keep the great work. Sheba Army, woof, woof, Toby. Thank you very much. Monkey Sucker Punch. That's exactly right, man. Sucker punched me right there, dude. Billions was a good show until they introduced Taylor. She ruined the whole series. Man, who won the wrench today? AMC Draper. We didn't even do a wrench giveaway today, man. The morning stream was an absolute mess, and we did not do one in the afternoon stream. I forgot to do it, and nobody said let's do a wrench. Did you just suggest that Clay couldn't have earned those subs he has organically? Hold me there, Clay. I'm going to teach him who he's talking down to. Get back. It's all right. Sorry, stay back. Stay back right now, Devil. Stay back. Stay back. Did I do a good job? Maybe I did. No, I don't know, dude. I mean, there might be some people who just subscribe because of it, but unfortunately, nobody's been like, let's give this dude 100,000 subscribers if he talks about Sheba. Just join. Can you check out Lucid after earnings? When's the earnings report for Lucid? Did it already come out? Wife called and missed your answer. John, darn it. What was the question? Who is John Goldsmith? And what does he do? John Goldsmith won a wrench a couple days ago. I don't know what he does, though. Lucid has got to be on here somewhere. I don't know. Here it is. Did their earnings call come out? Was this their earnings call? Any news? Alright, so yes, it does seem like they had an earnings release. Earnings highlights, 1,300 reservations, $1.3 billion order book, production update. Good deal, but I don't know what their numbers were. So Lucid is moving higher after hours. Had a nice day today, up 2%, and it is up 5% after hours. So Lucid is rolling in after hours trade. They beat earnings. Very nice. Thank you very much for letting me know, because I do see some good stuff here in the highlights, but it didn't have their numbers, and like as far as like going through and reading all these articles, I'm not trying to pop up a ton of oh my gosh, tabs on the computer while I'm doing that. Why can't I think of the word tabs? Article Insider Financial, 4 over-the-counter stocks. Keep an eye on Cryo, DG, DSGT, NEWH, and OZSC, 4 days in a row. Daredevil, very nice, man. Are you in OZSC? They beat earnings, good deal. Is there any coins on Coinbase that has the same potential that Sheba has? It is almost the same price. I mean, so Graceland, I don't know. If you're talking about the same potential that Sheba currently has, then yeah, there probably are. But if you're talking about like the potential that Sheba had at the beginning of the year, probably not. I'm just going to be honest. They're probably not on there. Have you seen Power Ledger? I have not seen Power Ledger. Only Sheba. Let's get it. I missed the Sheba train. No. Cade, I don't think you missed the Sheba train, dude. I think you still got plenty of gains left in Sheba. If you want to wait and see if it pulls back, okay, but I don't think you missed the gain. Like, I still think it's going to go higher than 5,500. Clay, with the amount of RAM you have, unfortunately, I have to inform you, it's probably a good idea you don't know the word tabs. Devil's advocate, I would agree with that, man. I would agree with that. I think I'm sitting on, like, 500 megabytes worth of RAM. That's what I got. That's what I got, man. About 500 megabytes worth of RAM. I don't know if that's good or not. Is that good? MC Trapper, multiple posts about a lava lamp. Oh, maybe somebody with a block. Maybe later Coinbase will list Saitama. They could, and they probably will. If it continues to rise in popularity, I think the Coinbase will list it later. Let's see here. Article, Insider Financial. You already said that, Daredevil. John, that fine, bro. He was conversing with Clay, bro. Yeah, Clay, what do you think about Simulcoin Inu Coin? It has been a while since we covered this. Yeah, man. Simon Dino. I think that Simon Dino is going to be a good coin, man. That's going to go to 11.11. The price predictions for Simon Dino is 11.11, man. Solano available now on Webull. Is it available now on Webull? Can you actually trade it? I know it's on there, but I don't know. Can you actually trade it? I can't trade anything while I'm not logged in, so I can't really tell. Darn it. I'm going to have to check that in 15 minutes, Banana Man, because I think Solano's got some good long-term potential too, even though it's already $200. Dude, I was talking with Nick F the other day, and one of our friends, man, bought, if you're listening right now, shout out to you, you know who I'm talking about, but one of our friends bought Solano at $2 a coin, man. At $2 a coin, and he still has it. So congratulations. That is awesome. Dang it, man. Dang it. Didn't even tell me to buy it. That's how good of a friend he is. Didn't even tell me to buy it. Thanks. Appreciate that, dude. Appreciate that. Yes, best coin ever. Simondino, let's get it, dude. Ether is with something. Is it possible to see Sheba burn 25% of its total available coins by 2025? Yeah, that's possible, man. Yo, so should I invest in Simondino coin? Ace, yeah, if you can find it, man. If you can find it, I say go for it. What do you think about the weekly profit taking? Just skimming profit as an extra paycheck? Thanks. Tango. I like it, man. I like it. Especially if you need that income, man, and you're out there, you're either doing it with options, you're doing it by day trading, whatever. I think that weekly profit taking, there's nothing wrong with that. Clearly, it reduces the potential for longer-term gains, but it provides you with an opportunity to go out there and invest in something else as well. Good for him. Dinner on your boy. Banana Man. That's what I'm thinking, dude. That's what I'm thinking. Dinner on my boy. Because he didn't tell me, and who knows if I would have done it, right? But didn't tell me to buy any Solano. $2. Still sitting on it. It's like 200 and something right now. 100x his money. Wouldn't it be sick if he didn't tell me about it because he went out there and he bought like 50 grand with a Solano at $2 and he's still sitting on it. He made $5 million. Claytonino, best coin ever, Clay. Check it out. 1111 Simon. If that exists, I'm buying. Ooh, I did discover that it is pretty simple to create a token. We may do some tokens here. It does seem pretty simple to do that. Let's see. AMC Trapper, you've been getting them before I can even see it. Dude, AMC Trapper is like a monster, man. I love this channel. You seem like a good man. Thanks for all the advice. Graceland, really appreciate that positive feedback there, and I'm so glad you're in here hanging out with us. What do you think about Terra? Terra Luna is actually going to be available on Webull here pretty soon, too. I was reading through it. I'm trying to remember. I read through all of the coins that are listed on Webull and their underlying projects, their market caps, their total outstanding supply, and so on. Is that one that facilitates like cross-border transactions similar to a Ripple, or is that different? Am I thinking of something different? Because I'm trying to remember what I read on that, and I think that's what Luna was up to. If you make a bro coin, I'm investing. Well, here's the thing. Like, if I make a bro coin, like a bro token, okay, because you gotta be a token. I don't have a whole development team and all that crap. What do you do with it, man? You just like get people to buy it, and they say okay. I think it would be cool just to see what happens with it. Because, and look, and this is sincere, okay? Because I don't know what you would do with it with an underlying project. But if you did make a token, okay, and I'm not saying that this channel is going to grow to 10 million subscribers or anything. Like, who knows what's going to happen. But it is inevitable that if you make a token associated with a YouTube channel, as the YouTube channel grows, more people will want to buy it. They'll know about it, they'll hear about it, and the demand will increase alongside the growth of the channel. So I think that could be like, I think that could be pretty cool. I think it could be, because you got that just inherent demand that as the channel and community grows, the coin grows as well. So, like, if we did it now with 60,000 subscribers, you got in early, I mean, it's almost got, like, inevitable future growth. Let's see here. Clay, put yourself in my situation. Any advice? I'm trying not to ask, but I'm making myself nuts. Chris. No, dude, no advice. But I guess if I did have some advice, you gotta do what you're most comfortable with, man. And I know you're comfortable holding, but like for your overall life as well. So I would go that route, dude. Let's see. I would donate my entire portfolio to charity if Clay would be my friend. Banana Man, I am your friend, dude. I am your friend. Amber, throwing those bro diamonds out in the chat. Yes. Darn, looks like Sheba is dropping. No, Sheba's not dropping. She was trading extremely sideways, man. Proto, I like it. The broken token. It could be an instant success like the cracked Liberty Bell. I did think about the broken before. The bro token, the broken. I did think about that. Clay Bitcoin, let's get it. Regular potato. How much Shiba Inu do you own? Oh man, good question. I own my Shiba Inu at 5,500 points per coin. Calls are printing on AMC. Logan, I did think about getting some calls this morning. Didn't pull the trigger on it and regretting it now because, yeah, you'd be making some good money on that. Is CIA is on anyone's radar? 8.5% short with 79% or 79 days to cover and a $6 spread right now. Genie, not on mine, but sound like some good numbers. 79 plus days to cover? That's ridiculous. What do you think about Shiba Inu right now? I like it. I like it, Sheba. I like it. Holding very steady at 5,500 points per coin. Let's see. Thanks for your time. I became a bro just a couple weeks ago, and so far I'm learning a lot from you, sir. I hope we see at least 25% burn by 2025. Dreaming of 1 cent for Shiba coin, fantasizing for 22 cents. Let's get it, Nako. I hope we get 22 cents would be just insane, right? Like, I hope we get to 22 cents. Gosh, I really need a drink. But I think we're going to need more than a 25% burn to get to 22 cents. Good one. Food one. Good one. Food one, man. Yes. Amber saying hi. Yes. And burn. For sure. What's the opposite of printing? Because that's how my calls are doing. Just right into the shredder. Just right into the shredder right now. Dude, wouldn't it be amazing if Prague opens up like 50% tomorrow? And his shredder put the pieces back together. And then he was printing with those shredded pieces. Do you think 10 Mio is good enough? I don't know what Mio's at, man. 10 mil? 10 mil? I think 10 mil could do some damage, yeah. I think you could walk away with 100 grand longer term on 10 million. Please smash the like button, AMC Trapper. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, smash that like button. Let's go. We got 300 likes in here. What's the deal? How many we got? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. What are we at right here, too? Ranking on the video. We're going to post that video if we're anything below rank number 5 right now. We'll just post a new one and we'll get another one out there. We'll make that happen. Let's see. Where we sitting rank-wise? What do we got? Oh, yeah. Yep. We'll just get that new video out there right now. You guys can watch it in a minute. Frank, if you're in here, you can watch it in 8 minutes, dude. Actually, we'll just make it for 5. We'll just schedule it for 5. And then whether or not we get another one out at 7, we'll find that out. But we'll schedule this for 5. Schedule that bad boy. Boom! You guys got a video coming out immediately following the live stream. Okay, here's the deal. Following the live stream, there's 336 of you in here. I want that to be, we should actually test this, okay? We should test this. Immediately, just go click on that video, okay? Comes out at 5. Immediately following the live stream, click on it. Let's see if that just like jolt sends it to the top of the list for ranking. We'll see if that works. It's actually that's a pretty interesting theory. If that's the case, we might just schedule videos for post live stream. Other news, Clay, Robinhood on some crap said I needed to deposit $180, so I did. Then a different $100 posted. Now it only says 80, but now the 180 is pending. Chris, that does sound like Robinhood is on some crap, man. Let's see here. Who feels neglected? Where do we go? I saw something about neglected. Oh, Frank, I feel so neglected. I get AMC option update and Clay, bro, Clay, bro. No, man, Frank, I would never miss an AMC options update, dude. Never. Went to purchase my first NFT on OpenSea, and I was taken back by the gas fees. Ridiculous. Gas fees are ridiculous right now because Ethereum is so high. Remember when I got my first call and I was like, yeah, I'm just getting one to kind of feel it out and see how they work. I don't want to overdo it. Now I bought $5,000 worth of Oh, that's like the dude that dips his toe in the deep end and then just jumps right in. Doesn't even care. Just jumps right in after dipping his toe. Now that's what I'm talking about, devil's advocate going hard, man. Let's see. So Amber, I do have a TikTok, but like if you're going and looking for my TikTok, I don't post anything on there, but I do have one. Do you have one? Should we follow you on TikTok? Do you happen to know what the next major level of resistance is for AMC? Yeah, so yeah, we can look at that real quick. The next major level of resistance for AMC is the not markets. Always click on the wrong button. Is the wedge that we're in right now, the upside of this wedge. So as this loads, we're going to go back out to the chart. We're going to go find AMC again. AMC. As you can see on the daily chart for AMC, we've kind of got like a double level of resistance right here at this 42.60 level. So we touch it right in here at this like $43 mark, and so you can see, boom, touch it in here, boom, touch it in here, boom, touch it in here, and then we're touching it right now, and it just so happens to be right at the upper end of this wedge. So we really got our work cut out for us if we want to break out to the upside right now. If not, we may be experiencing a decline tomorrow and potentially coming back down to the bottom side of that wedge. So that's what I would keep my eye out if you guys are looking for resistance levels on AMC. Shiba Inu Coin doing nothing but trading sideways right now. At least we're maintaining the value that we currently have. GME sitting at 208 after hours. Prague sitting at 344. AMC sitting at 42.53. And farming down almost 1% after hours. Can't do nothing to save its life. Let's see. Where are we at? Who right here right now has SHIB? Me. I just feel like we need more crypto on TikTok, so I was curious. We probably do need more crypto on TikTok. And I don't know. I don't know about TikTok. I think it's difficult to get some followers on TikTok. Clay, did you hear about Saitama copyright logo issue? Gosh, doesn't like that project. So many issues. Alpha, yeah, I did hear about that, but I heard about that during this live stream. So I don't know where they would have gotten that logo from, and I don't know if somebody would have filed like a trademark on that logo after Saitama was using it, or what the deal is with that. Okay, Clay, it's almost that time. Appreciate the help today. We'll try not to get too deep inside my head, and hopefully we'll be more relaxed tomorrow. Boom, bro, ape out. I love it, Chris. Definitely, man. Enjoy the rest of your day, dude. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't be in your head. It's going to be all right. Look at Clover. It is dipping. Is Clover dipping right now? What do you think of Saitama? Well, an NK point. I think a lot of people are interested in Saitama, but it sounds like Saitama might be having some problems right now. Mitch McGudridge was his name. Sounds like a hockey player. Don't know who it was. Great videos, my dude. Very informative. Oh, Mitchell! Appreciate that, dude. Appreciate you. You know about AMP Coin? No. I can't lie. I don't. Amber, you and your friend. I'm trying to find out who Amber's friend is now. Trying to find out, am I Amber's friend? Or is it somebody else? Now I don't even know. Clemano's friend bought Solano on 11.20. I have no idea when my friend bought it. Bought it at $2. I have no idea when that was. Sheba World, let's get it. Have a great evening, everyone. Should we cash out? Everlasting forever. I am not cashing out right now. You can cash out if you want, dude. But look, I don't know. I don't even know if I'll cash out. Like, if it drops to 0, I honestly don't know if I'll cash out. I think that Sheba might be a decent long-term hold. You know, like these guys that are turning Solano from 2 to 200. It might be a decent long-term hold. So, I don't really have a problem with holding it. Guys, where has my girlfriend been all day? Devil's Advocate, I don't know. Elizabeth! Are you okay? If you're not, tell us. Ethereum X, is that a thing? Clay, I put $100 into Shiba right now at 55. Once it reaches 1 cent, do I make 10,000? Well, no, because it's going to be a multiple of 2. So, right now, at 55, you drop a 0. That gives you 3 zeros, and then you 100x from there. So you 200x total. 200x, it would be 20 grand. Your 100 would turn into, it's 200, and then you add, yeah, it'd be 20 grand, man. It would be 20, not 10. Someone entered TikTok. Ooh. AMC Trapper knows all about it. All right, Amber, here's the deal. Make a crypto video on TikTok tonight and post it. And then if you go viral, which you probably will, I mean, let's all face it, Amber and her friend are probably going to go viral. Talk about crypto, and then bring everybody to the chat tomorrow, because it's 5 o'clock and we are leaving right now. Guys, get your names in the chat for a shout out. Let's get it, man. Have a good night, Danelle. Absolutely. Jim says never cash out. AMC Trapper, peace out to you, my man. Devil's Advocate, Kevin, Andrea. Names in the chat if you want that shout out. Let's go. Deborah, have a good evening. Heavy, Dan, Pringleton. 11 Simon, stop it, Amber, you stop it. Go do it. Go viral, post that crypto, and bring all your friends, all your newfound friends here to hang out with us. Shredder, see you later, my man. Matthew, Tango, Grill, Invictus, see you tomorrow. Amber, Julie, bye-bye. Thank you very much for becoming a member, Julie. Frank, see you later, man. First and last. I love it, Frank. Amy, Joe, Matthew, Carl. Yo, Carl. We got Carl Bruss and Yo, Carl, both back-to-back in the chat. Very good, guys. Anselm, yo, peace to you as well. DD214, Pringleton, Michael, Get Stuffed, 4x4, Czar, AMC Trapper says, peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. And if Crypto Rocketeer is not watching England right now, boom, dabbing on him like always, man. Frank, Frodo, Matthew, Johnny, JB is back, and it's time to go. Wrestler likes the vegetables. That's what he likes there. Frank, see you later, my man. TZ, Breck, NK, living like trading, Devil's Advocate. What? I had no idea. Me neither, man. Me neither. But I do know that if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.